Since seashell is a closed object with one open end, we can approximate that as a closed pipe with one side open, and we can approximate the length as 15 centimeters. So if we look at figure 12.12a, we see that the fundamental frequency for a closed pipe is v over 4l, where v is the speed of sound and then l is the length of the tube. So if we plug in all the numbers, we get 343 meter per second, and then we have 4 times 0.15 meter. Now this is in centimeters, but to be consistent with the units, we have to convert that to meters. And if we calculate it, we get 572 hertz. So that's the estimated frequency when you have a 15 centimeter diameter seashell. Thank you.